Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my another video. So in this video I'm going to discuss about some topics that new user to Windows 11 don't know. So the first feature is that you can see the taskbar. uh, if you have installed Windows 11 or it's pre-installed with your machine, you will see the taskbar in center, but you can see my taskbar in the left side. So I have changed it. If you like the taskbar in left side, so you can just do a right click on your taskbar and go to taskbar settings, and from there you can go to taskbar behaviors and select the taskbar alignment to left or center according to your wish. So I like it towards the left, so I'm selecting to the left. Okay, so the second thing is that new user do mistakes like this. They don't clear up the temp files. So open your run application and type temp like this. Just press window plus R and write temp and hit enter, and delete all these files. These are trash files which are making your machine waste. So just delete them, and again go to run application by pressing windows plus R and write %temp%. And now this is also a temporary files folder. Just Control A and Shift delete it. Now next up, so many people don't know about this transparency effects of Windows 11. So you can see the transparency effect in my Windows, and it's it's showing transparency in the taskbar and in the Windows Start button and in the search and each and everything. So I'll show you how to do that. So right click and go to personalize, and now go to color and select this transparency effect to on and choose the accent color to automatic. Now close this. So thank you for watching this small video. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.